I got a knife.
That's hot.
Hold on, I gotta get my knife ready for the train.
Come on. Hot, man. You took a bite?
All right, you ready? You ready to go live?
Oh, get a, I'm live already. Get a glove.
I'm gonna make the video. So
You live?
You guys are doing it live.
Turn it down a little bit, Jake.
I'm scared, dog. You scared? I'm scared. 542 brothers, here we come.
Well, yeah, what up? What reminds you?
Yeah.
Carolina Reaper Challenge.
Huh? Alright, sorry.
He's scared.
Ready?
I'm not ready.
You gotta chew it, chew it up. You know what I mean? Swallow it.
Ah!
Hold on. Listen, don't drink the milk till it starts burning. Really, I'm serious.
Here we come.
Pepper touch. Pepper touch.
Everybody in here,
Cheers,
look.
brother. Cheers.
That shit's already burning,
If you're gonna throw up, go outside, man. Don't throw up in here. Go that way if you're gonna throw up.
Oh, man.
You alright? What? Yo, if you're gonna throw up, get outside, man. Don't use the milk. Go that way. Come on. Is it hot? Tom, is it hot?
There.
Huh? Woo! Look, I should follow Bryson outside. Look. Look at it, look. How hot is it? You gotta describe it.
Son of a bitch, this guy's a rebel's dick, man. Devil's dick can't even start. Come up with his mouth.
Bryson, come back in here, man. You good? You gotta be serious. How hot is it? You gotta talk about how hot is it?
It's just too hot. It's fucking hot, man. Damn tongue smell that like a milk. Holy fuck, look at that. I came hot.
I gotta go out here. Hold How hot is it, Bryce? What's hot right now? Your throat?
Everything.
Your mouth is.
Don't rub your eyes.
I know he's hurt. Eat some more.
Let me try
Yo, I got another milk in here. I got more. That shit's really burning. Oh, he's done.
Yeah, he's fucked up.
Should we call the ambulance?
Yeah, send him up to the nurse.
Look at him.
Look bad, no milk yet, no water. No milk for water yet.
Yeah, look at his mouth. Wipe that shit off your mouth, though. Bryce, you good? You gonna make it?
Hell yeah. Oh, what's sticky in that throat?
You getting another one?
Tyson, you want another one?
Carolina Reaper. He thought she look. Look, they thought shit was sweet. He thought he didn't think it was gonna be hot. That hot. He sees it. Look.
Your day's ruined, dude. Your day's ruined. Your night's
Look. How hot is it? You alright? He about to cry. Look. Yo, he's about to cry. Look. Oh yeah, he's done. Yeah, he's done.
better than the hard part of knowing.
We got some more. I got another one on the table. I think.
Yeah, I think so.
Look at him.
You fucking say it. You can't shoot that motherfucker.
Yo.
That fucker's hot, dude. Don't try that at home. That brings my next thing. Don't do crack.
How many kids you got, Art?
I only got only 4 people are watching. Bryce, you good? What happened? Yeah, she sent me a friend request. For sure.
Look at him. He's ready to go.
Woo!
Another one.
We got more in there for you.
What you gotta say? How hot was it? How hot was it?
Shit was hot, dog.
Is it over? It's still hot?
Hold on.
We got water, yo. Get him a water, please.
Don't do that. Oh, dude, that's what I said. He better start taking ice cream.
Give me some chicken. Give me some chicken.
Hey, you guys go in there.
Here, Bryce, take this water. Yeah, so it's going still live right now.
It was dry. Yeah, people said they commenting on this shit.
Yeah, that shit is funny. Where'd Tommy go?
I'm
Where's Tommy? Tommy! What's up, bud? You ran away from us. Everything all right? Huh? You still good? You good?
What he ain't gonna do?
Yeah, they both ate a Carolina.
Hey, you need to get bread. What you need?
A Carolina Reaper.
You need bread. That's the fucking funny shit.
And for the love of God, make sure you wash your hands before you finish.
Yeah, you ain't gonna worry about your mountain anymore. You get out of your pecker.
I got your 22 then, dog.
$20 fucking dollars you gave me, ain't that?
I bet. We bet.
Dude, you had that fucking 500 probably something like that.
Snotty nose bitch. Who ate the biggest piece?
They both ate a pepper. Are you still hot?
I'm saying, that was no exaggeration. That's how hot that is. That thing is fire. I mean, just, oh, it's still hot.
Look at the capillary busting in his face. Where'd Bryson go? Did he run this way? But he thought he could get away. Look at him. He don't need like hot sauce.
He doesn't need
I mean, what? You know what it is? You good? He don't like hot sauce.
Carolina.
poor kids.
Reaper, right?
That might have been the funniest thing I ever saw in my life. Ever. Yeah, that fucking Tommy's out. He got milk all on his fucking.
Yeah, you fit this on.
Are you still hot? You still burning?
You must have swallowed some of that shit. Yeah, because he's yeah, I can do it, bro.
Yeah, this shit is funny. Woo. Tom, one more. Still hot? You still good? You still burning?
I told him I need to call 411, call idiots. They'll call 411.
You're spitting on yourself.
You can't help it.
Dude, I bet you if it would cool his mouth, anybody pissed in his fucking mouth.
Still hot.
Damn right.
Go check on Bryce.
Yeah.
Look at his shirt. Look at his shirt.
Yeah, you know he didn't wash his hands
I don't
enough.
know. I don't know
Coming out.
the way it goes starts coming out.
What did he do? What happened? Wait, look out. Look, got them both in sight again. Bryce is over here. I was taking shit in the woods. Or... You all right?
I got a guy one time at work.
You ain't. It's real hot. Like you've never tasted nothing that hot before.
No, never will.
You want to do another one? Would you eat another one? Is it that hot?
Never. Whoever that man who did 3. This
But
guy.
he's like, oh my god, what'd I do?
I think we ruined Bryson's life.
Just every time you burp, it just keeps coming back up, and it's like you're just reliving it. It's just horrible.
Numb and hot at the same time.
I got an ulcer on my tongue already.
Look, I'm gonna show you your eyes. Look at your eyes. Here, look. Look at your eyes.
They saw a mouthful of hornets. They stung the shit out of you.
You guys are the best, man. Yes! TJ, that's the guy right there. He's the man.
Oh, you brought that man.
Bought him. You know what I mean? They said you would ate. Greg said Fakey would ate one.
Not 20
Said
fucking dollars.
Fakey likes hot stuff.
I do like hot stuff, but fucking not for $20. You better
He did it for
fucking-
free.
What?
Yeah.
You're the fucking man.
Yo, Bryce, definitely,
I did
man.
it for
Respect.
free.
What'd you say?
I did it for free. I can't even walk right.
He said my mouth is numb and it's still burning.
Oh, dude. I do. You're going to be puking here in a little bit.
That's crazy.
You brought it. Why'd you bring that sandwich down?
Those are hard men.
Oh my gosh.
Fucking tell you, dude, when he takes a shit tomorrow, I swear to God, he'll be on the fucking ground.
Let it out. Let it out. Let it out.
This is what's going on after you the Carolina Reaper. Backpedaling, karaoke. And he don't know what the hell he's doing.
You're going to be like them fucking dogs. Spook their ass across the
Hey, you're going to be down 2 operators the rest of the day. I can tell you that right now.
Still hot.
got boogies on you, dude. Get out of here.
He don't care about,
Yeah, you do.
he don't care about the boogie.
Bob, what they do? Bob, what you think?
Fucking idiot.
No. Carolina Reaper, look, Bryce is still over here trying to get it out. It's not going nowhere, Bryce.
Back my throat.
That thing ain't going nowhere. That thing's staying right there for time. Yeah, he's good.
I literally got an ulcer on my tongue already. Ulcer on my tongue already.
No, sir. Pound up. No, sir. Smack. Air 5. Air 5.
Never say water over that fucking pond.
Yo, he's done. They told me he might need to go to the nurse. All right, we out, Bryce. Bryce, good job, man. I got your 20 for you, bro. I'm out. You should share this later.